Welcome back to the third attempt of recording this video on the Crypto Market Updates channel. Unrehearsed, unfiltered, and uncensored. My lord, this is frustrating, man, when you do stuff 3 times in a row. Okay, 3 times the charm. Doge 1 Moon Mission, date set for November 15th to the 20th. It was initially set sometime in May 2021, announced by Geometric Energy Corporation, GEC, and SpaceX in May 21. The mission will launch with the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket as a vehicle share in the NOVA mission, a joint mission between Intuitive Machines and NASA. Mission Doge 1 will include a 40-kilogram cubed satellite that will orbit the moon and gather lunar spatial information using onboard sensors and a camera. The launch of Doge 1 was originally scheduled for Q1 2022, but was delayed due to delays in SpaceX Nova C mission. Not investment advice. Just in case, I said it 3 times already, I'll say it again. Elon Musk has many referred to Doge as his favorite crypto on many occasions. He's also said that his team will not be launching any cryptocurrencies. There will be no crypto launched. So any X tokens or any stuff you see on Twitter is just scam. There is an X token, X army they're calling themselves, and I looked at their white paper. It's completely ridiculous. There's absolutely no utility. It's just a meme token. They think that they're working on something, but they're not. It's just a promotional pump and dump scheme. So I would suggest stay away from that thing because, unless you get money to throw around, if you're thinking about investing in crypto, then the X token is the last thing you want to invest into, because that's not going to fly anywhere. Just take a look at their white paper and realize that it's a complete scam. So back to Doge. Elon said that he will not be, or X will not be launching any crypto, but he did mention many times that Doge may be the best currency, or because it was created as a joke to kind of make fun of money. He also said that Bitcoin would not be a very good candidate for cryptocurrency to be used in space because it's just too bulky, but Doge might provide a good candidate. The X platform will require some kind of currency runner, I guess, or support once Elon launches his trading platform, or will be adding a trading platform to the X platform. Lots of platforms, but he did talk about wanting to implement a trading system, just like WeChat, I guess, has. And so chances are that Doge will be his fave to go to as one of the tokens. Doge is the prime candidate for Elon's mad expeditions, which is why people are piling in on it, despite the fact that it is a inflationary token and it prints something like 5 billion tokens every year. But that's good. We want a lot of tokens. Bitcoin's got its 18 zeros after the dot, which kind of makes it fractional. But Doge, I guess, does not, and it just makes it more accessible to people. Right, Bitcoin is hard to get. Most people don't have a lot of Bitcoin, which makes it inaccessible and hard to use. While Doge is a lot easier to get a hold of, and I think it's makes it more of a people's money. Bitcoin is the big bulky thing that you buy and you put it into your safe and use it as an investment or collateral against other things, while Doge is actually the thing that you can use to buy and sell and trade goods with. So I could see Doge being in the forefront of this stellar madness here that Elon's trying to create. So yeah, so make sure to smash up the likes on this video. Check out my other videos on the channel, there will be another, I'll be releasing another video on Ethereum. Ethereum's a bit clunky, and there's some news on Ethereum, so we'll get to that. But in the meantime, I will see you in the next video. See you soon. Bye-bye.